Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Lenovo ThinkPad E15 audio driver and other all. So open any browsers to Google search box to type like that and go to this first URL. And if you can see, this is guys showing here you different OS, okay, different laptop. So no worry, you just enter your serial number, okay. Otherwise you can type serial number and then click to search. So after that you can see here laptop, okay, only Lenovo. So you can see there guys, there are two type to install, first automatic and second manual. So in automatic you just click to scan now and just required to install, okay, and this is manual. So manual means you have facing some issues, okay, if you have to install separate driver so you can do, okay. So then guys click to print, fingerprint, click, okay, this is Godex fingerprint and all. So install any, no, you just click to download latest one, it is downloaded, click to setup file and yes, okay, next, I accept, next, select install, then next, install, close and then finish it, then restart your system.